my name is Emmy, Adventure Sales and Booking Manager at Outdoor Norway. And we have some exciting news for you. Come, follow me. So I would like to introduce to you our brand new product.
That's a beautiful ice skate here. You can just go across our door here and ice skate on the lake. If you go a little bit more in the woods, we've got the snowshoes that you can go with your friends and families. And as well as if you want to go further and higher, we've got the backcountry ski with lightweight setup, including these amazing boots here, which are very comfortable, lightweight, and sure you're gonna enjoy a lot about what Voss has to offer.
So any questions you might have, we're here waiting for you.